If we don't win this year, according to me, what I have seen earlier, there's plenty of ability here, talent. And if we don't win now, I don't think we'll ever win again. Of course, maybe I may be a little harsh saying we'll never win again. Because the way things are changing in the ISL, I-League, those who are not registered are allowed to play. But today I have got experience in youth, blended with Peter, Matthew, Gonsalves, Vitorin, McRoy. With the youth, those five, Ozan, Schubert, Nestor, Kapil. So I think it's going to be a fantastic unit. That's why I'm hopeful that we'll go out, we'll give our best and try to win the trophy.
So when will the first match?
We are playing on 28th against Mizoram at 3 o'clock. The first match, and then again 22nd against Karnataka. Okay, then 26th, then 20, 22nd, 24th, and 28th, and then semi-finals on the Good Friday. So that was a bit sort of this. Won't be able to give our best, but then we'll try. I hope God forgives us for playing on Good Friday.
This year we will bring Santosh Trophy in Goa. In 9 years we will not win Santosh Trophy. This year we will try to win this trophy.
How is the team?
Team was good and lots of players played for I-League.
We are confident that the team will do well. It's quite long that the state football team has not won the Santosh Trophy. I'll be talking to the players now and trying to check their maybe confidence level, because the aspirations of 1.5 million Goans is with the team. And on the backdrop of exit of the FC Goa from the finals or from the semi-finals, Goans are looking forward to some very bright performance from our Santosh Trophy team.
We are very grateful to SAG for giving us the flight tickets and all other facilities. With this, I would like to thank them, SAG, for all the help.